The technology that I think would be good to implement in this class is called Nearpod. Nearpod is a resource that allows teachers to implement a lesson or presentation where you can embed different activities such as polls, quizzes, videos, and other virtual activities. You can be in full control of the pace of the presentation and allow students to respond from their devices so you can see their results and adjust accordingly throughout the lesson. The UDL principles that this addresses is the representation, action and expression, and engagement. I think this technology covers all of these principles because it offers multiple forms of learning the content. It gives students the opportunity to participate and engage in multiple ways, and it is fun and engaging for the students. Nearpod allows students to watch videos, participate in virtual reality, as well as take quizzes and complete exit tickets. Nearpod seems to be the full package when it comes to UDL principles and student engagement. I believe that Nearpod could also be successful in breaking down some of the barriers to learning in the classroom. With Nearpod, a teacher could still utilize all of the same lesson plans they currently have, but also utilize multiple forms of media to be inclusive to all different types of learners. It also solves the barrier of information not feeling relevant or interesting to students, because it really is an exciting tool that gives students so many opportunities to engage in fun and creative ways. Another challenge faced could be getting feedback from students, but Nearpod allows teachers to have the ability to track student progress as it's happening, and you can change your lesson in real time if needed. It is a flexible resource that could easily be adapted to fit the individual needs of each student. I would use this tool to support students by using it to create flexible yet engaging lesson plans that I have already developed and putting it into Nearpod and then choosing to add different games, quizzes, and projects throughout the virtual experience. I would also put in many content checks throughout so that I could closely monitor how students are responding to this technology so that I could keep adapting it as I go. I would add multiple different activities that address different needs so that all of my students are feeling engaged, excited, and independent. Overall, if you are looking for a way to meet all of the UDL principles and give your students an engaging learning experience, I think Nearpod would be a great technology to utilize.